In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Notion. Whether you're more comfortable navigating the app in a different language or need to switch languages for work or educational purposes, the process is quite straightforward. Let me guide you through each step to ensure you can adjust this setting confidently. First, you'll want to open Notion. Ensure that you've signed into your account to proceed with these changes. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to access the settings we'll be adjusting. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find most of the essential navigation tools, including the settings. Click on Settings. This action will open up a panel with various customization options available for your Notion account. With the settings open, search for the section labeled Preferences. This is a key area where you can tailor several aspects of the Notion interface to better suit your needs, including adjusting language preferences. It's designed to enhance your workflow, making it feel personal and efficient. So once you've located Preferences, go ahead and select it. Within the Preferences section, be on the lookout for Language and Region. This section is specifically meant for language and regional settings, which means you will be able to set the Notion interface to a language you're most comfortable with. Navigating to different parts of the application in a language that's familiar to you can really help improve your productivity and user experience. Now you should see a drop-down menu labeled Language. Clicking this menu will present you with a list of languages that Notion supports. It's significant to choose one that not only you're fluent in, but also one that integrates well with your daily tasks, especially if you're collaborating with others who speak that language. Sift through the list until you find the language you wish to switch to. Once you've selected your preferred language from the drop-down menu, Notion should automatically apply this change to the interface. The translation might take a few moments, but typically it updates almost instantly. It's a nice feature that allows you to see the changes right away without needing to restart the application or log back in again. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Notion. By having the application aligned with your preferred language, you're setting yourself up for enhanced comprehension and a smoother user experience overall. If for any reason you wish to change it back or select another language, you can always return to these settings and follow the same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow.